For years now, Nissan has been teasing us with promo videos and commercials of their upcoming Ariya electric SUV. But due to the chip shortage and other manufacturing issues caused by the pandemic, its arrival has kept being pushed back. However, on March 22nd, Nissan finally brought out the Ariya to be tested at Madrid's Jarama circuits. Despite the rainy, wet conditions, the Ariya performed remarkably well, according to several automotive magazines. With the all-new SUV set to hit the market by this fall, some customers may need a refresh on what the Ariya is and what makes it so special. It's been a while since we've made a video on this channel, but we are back. Today, we're going to be breaking down the specs and features of the all-new Nissan Ariya. Let's do this! The Ariya is Nissan's second electric model after the Leaf, set to compete with other electric SUVs such as the Tesla Model Y, Hyundai Ioniq 5, Audi Q4 e-tron, and Ford Mach-E. At a starting price of 47 grand, the Ariya is considerably more expensive than the Leaf, which starts at $27,000. That's almost a $20,000 difference. However, the Ariya CMF EV dedicated electric vehicle platform will be the foundation of many future electric vehicles that will fill the gap between the Leaf and Ariya. Although the Ariya is late to the EV party, it is a major step towards Nissan's Ambition 2030 plan to have 23 electrified models by 2030. The Nissan Ariya will be available in front-wheel drive with one electric motor, with either a smaller 66 kWh battery that is liquid-cooled to improve charge times, as well as a larger 91 kWh battery. According to Europe Nissan, the smaller battery will provide a range of 250 miles, or 402 kilometers, while the larger battery targets 300 miles, or 482 kilometers. The Ariya is also available in all-wheel drive with two electric motors in a system Nissan calls e-Force. The specs for the all-wheel drive Ariya with the smaller battery have not yet been released, but the larger battery will provide a healthy 389 horsepower and 442 pound-feet of torque, but only 265 miles of range, which translates to 426 kilometers, which is slightly disappointing. However, the all-wheel drive Ariya does have an equally sized front and rear motor, resulting in great 50-50 weight distribution, which improved the handling at Madrid's Jarama circuits. The e-Force all-wheel drive system improves the Ariya's launch times and maneuverability, although drivers can choose to switch the system on or off. The Ariya's braking system feels smooth and natural and can stop the SUV on a dime. With the push of a button, drivers can turn on e-pedal, which allows for one-pedal driving, just like in the Nissan Leaf. Although e-pedal doesn't allow the Ariya to come to a complete stop, its coasting speed is below 6 miles per hour, or 10 kilometers per hour. The 5-seater 2-row SUV provides ample, comfortable legroom for the rear seat passengers with its low, flat floor. Unfortunately, however, the sloping roofline might be a challenge for taller passengers sitting in the second row. The soft suspension settings is not geared towards handling, but will provide a comfortable, plush ride on city streets. The Ariya's design is sleek and curvy, with slim LED headlights and a long red taillight bar. Its design incorporates elements of Japanese culture, with soft Andan lights on the doors and footwells, reminiscent of lanterns. Throughout the cabin, kumiko patterns can be found etched into plastic components inspired from Japanese traditional woodworking. I believe that incorporating Japanese tradition and culture into the Ariya's interior design is incredibly creative on the part of Nissan. These little attentions to detail are what make the Ariya special. The SUV has built-in Amazon Alexa, as well as a hidden secondary center glove box, which substitutes for the absence of a frunk, which holds the HVAC system. Finally, calling out "Hey Nissan" activates a virtual assistant that can do simple tasks like adjusting the lights, climate control, and windows. Overall, the Ariya is poised to be an exciting SUV that will set Nissan down the path towards an electric future. Two new sedans are set to be built using the Ariya's CMF EV platform in 2025, one a Nissan and the other an Infiniti. I'm very excited to see how these upcoming electric Nissan models will compare against the current EV markets. I hope you all enjoyed this episode of the Prototype Pages. If so, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. If you have a video suggestion, feel free to please leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching, stay safe, and I'll see you all next time. Peace out.